Hello my friend, welcome to my channel. Today I've got bases loaded lacquer. Grattis used to be a janitor. I'll be using stamping plate TU-038. I've started off with Nailtiques Formula 2 and I'm also using Starry Blush Foundational Base Coat from Bases Loaded Lacquer. And this is Grattis used to be a janitor. Camera's not doing this one justice. It's so dainty and delicate, but it's got sparkle and shine in it, flakies and all kind of good stuff. First coat went on like a dream, and here we go with our second coat. And I'm just going to use two, depending on how your nail length is and your visible nail line. You may need a third coat, but I think two's going to be good for me. And I'm going to have to get... Oh, I've got to clean that mess up. I'm just going to use my brush. It was sitting out. I know. Woody's not happy. I'm going to top this one with I&M out the door. I'm going to get it to dry down. And then I'm going to do some stamping. Some kind of gradient stamping, I guess. Or smooshy stamping. I don't know. I don't know what you want to call it. Isn't that pretty? So here we go with TU-038. I've got my Maniology stamper out, and we're going to be using TP Tipping and Empire Club, as well as El Dorado. Those are old Bundle Monster polishes. I don't know if they still have them under the Maniology labeling or not, but what I suggest is just use what you have in your collection. Just any of these pretty colors would work for this type of manicure. So I did scrape twice, but I was careful not to get too crazy so that the colors didn't get too muddy, because they can do that. And I did clean the plate off with pure acetone, and the stamper got cleaned off on a lint roller. I cut that part out, and I apologize, but it was kind of a hot mess, so I didn't want to drag y'all down into that. So I just put drops of these polishes all over the image I'm using. Just kind of spread them out and do a scrape and another scrape. And you could do just one scrape if you want. It would leave more crisp lines between the colors. But I was going for that kind of smushy look. You know, kind of like melted together. I needed something kind of light and different, but still had a little pop on my nails. So I know you ladies out there that are nail junkies understand this kind of thing. So we kind of went basic with the base color, but kind of crazy with the stamping colors. And I like doing stamping where you do these little blobs of colors and get all that richness on the nail and get to use more than one color, or you can use as many as you want. You could use 2 or 4 or whatever. I think that you would like what you get out of it. Give it a try if you haven't. There we go. Got them all stamped. I'm going to pop in here with a little piece of tape and just get some of that excess stamp and polish off my skin, and then I'm going to go in with my cleanup brush and some acetone and do my final cleanup. Well, I say final, we never know. I could make a mess with the top coats, but this should be it. I'm going to top these with the smudge-free top coat from Maniology, and then once that is totally dry, ta-da, I'll be using Poshe today to seal this one up. And that will be it for this manicure. I really liked how it turned out. I mean, it's nothing phenomenal or anything, but it's definitely a nice manicure and one I enjoyed wearing. And here's my swatch photo. I hope you enjoyed this one. Leave me a comment. I want to thank you for watching. Until next time, be good to yourself.